Okay, so it is project today on the truck and camper. So those are the lights that I installed. Ditch lights. Those are going to light up the sides of the roads up in the national forests at night when we're cruising along. That's the back side. There's the wiring. So you can see how it looks from the front. We are dead on to the side, so you can see it's just a little bit forward, and it'll point into the turns whenever you make a right or a left turn. So here's another thing I picked up. I needed some new ramps. These are the tri-level ramps. So I like these. They lift the truck up a lot more than the old ones I had. So they actually level the truck in the driveway, whereas my old ones didn't. I'd have to put additional 2x6s and plywood under the old ones to get level. And with these ones, I don't have to do that. So that's handy. Let's see, what's the other thing I'm working on in here? Yeah, so right now I'm gonna yank the truck camper off. So let's get started on that. Okay, and this here's the other thing I wanted to show. So I'm doing a quick paint job on the windshield wiper arms. I've got some flat black acrylic enamel. Here's the stuff I've got. Krylon premium enamel. Okay, let's do first coat. Don't gotta put it on too heavy, just enough to get it covered. Make sure you get some paint on the GoPro lens. Not worried about the underside. I'm just painting it for the heck. Okay, that's good enough. We'll let that set for a bit. Hi. Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, good boy. What noses? No scratch. Good boy. Oh, now you're leaving us. Oh, good boy. I picked up a new fridge vent cover. It's for a Dometic. It's plastic, $39, and it's more impact resistant. The one that I had broke on me, and you can see where that is. I got it cracking here, and then it broke up here. So unfortunately the new cover doesn't quite fit right into the opening, but it'll be an easy fix. Okay, so I'm going to take the truck camper off the truck. I have to let some air out of the airbags, but I leave about 10 pounds of air in them. funny, I bought these tires down at the RTR, and these rubber nubbies are still on it. I thought they would have worn off. They haven't. So I think what I'm going to do is rub them off myself. I could just see the wind resistance on the circumference of the tire costing me about a half a mile a gallon. Wouldn't that be annoying, losing mileage just because of rubber hairs on your tires? Okay, so I've got the air done. Now I have to undo the chains. Let me get on that. Okay, so I finished installing the new backup lights. So this will be kind of nice because the backup lights on the truck camper are blocked by the back of the truck camper, and these are down below the level of the truck camper. So now I have backup lights, and these are much better backup lights than what was on. Okay, so it is now dark, and I can demonstrate how the lights are going to work. So let's turn off the alarm. So first I'll show the ditch lights. You can see that that light lights things up pretty good. And then the headlights. With the ditch lights. So you can see that that is going to work pretty good driving down the mountain roads. Then let me just show you what it looks like out here. So you can see that it lights up pretty good. That'll work pretty good. Now let's show you what the backup lights are going to do. And that's the backlight. And that's what those look like. So those are under the camper. The tail light backup lights are blocked by the camper. And then the backup lights on the camper are weak. So these ones, you can see, are going to light up the area very nicely, so that I'll be able to see what I'm backing up into. And then a future project is going to be to put a switch in the truck camper so that we can turn on the lights here to light up out the back door of the camper. And then I could also set up a switch to be able to turn on the front lights too. So that would be a really good security option for when we're up camping. But yeah, that works out really well. Shut them off. So there you see it. Lot of difference. So when you're up in the mountains on those pitch black nights, this would be a really handy thing to have. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and got some useful information out of it. Please do consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.